Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial I have this super flow meta trick for you. Anyway, here's what it looks like from my perspective. Not gonna lie, this is one of my favourite tricks at the moment. Anyway, two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this tutorial. To start off with, you're going to go into any keychain mount that you like. So you can do that by simply just rolling into it. It has to be the one that doesn't bind on a side style, but other than that, the actual mount doesn't really matter. Or like the actual entrance. But anyway, from there, basically what you're going to want to do is do a tension hook, right? But as you're doing the hook, you just want the string to go over both your throw hand and non-throw hand fingers once, and just leave you in this sort of mount. From there, you're going to cross your hands, making sure that your throw hand goes underneath, and that is like the first little slack, so it should look like this. Like, you should do it all in one motion basically. So it should look something like this. From there, you're going to uncross your hands and then recross your hands, but going, so at first your throw hand is underneath, now your throw hand is on top, and you should notice this second little tension hook has been formed. From that like second little tension hook, you're going to hook into an undermount like so. That should look like this. So boom, boom, and then you're going to let go of this, and it's just going to come round and land into the gap of the yo-yo. It should almost happen automatically, so don't worry about any of that nonsense about like trying to get the string to work in your favour. If you just go boom boom, that should just sort of happen automatically. From this undermount, you're then going to whip into the gap of the yo-yo by unrolling and then simply whipping into it, sort of like you're going to do that Evan Gal green triangle. But instead of doing that, you're going to cross your hands again, putting your throw hand underneath, and then pop up. And then as the yo-yo is coming up, you're going to undercut the string. This should leave you in like an under or nothing with a wrap. From there, you can just roll out. And then once you're in a trapeze, you can just whip into underneath kamikaze. It should be done in one motion though, so it should just look like that. And now we're on to the final part of this trick. So to finish this trick off, from that undermount, what you're going to do is you're going to basically do a vanish. But then as you're vanishing, you're going to hit the slack onto your wrist, and then just land the yo onto the string, creating a triangle. This sounds really hard, but it's actually quite easy. So here's what it should look like. And there's the triangle. And from there, you're free to bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick, so I'll go over it one more time. Keychain, slack, crossover once, twice, second whip, whip, pop up, reverse, kamikaze, green triangle, and then bind. And yeah, that's the whole trick. So if you've got any comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, like, subscribe, and peace.